Assalamu Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sumaiya Laskar and today I am going to tell you about my Islamic studies. At first I didn't like Islamic studies at all, but afterwards when I started studying at Online Islamic Institute, I have become a big fan of this institute. Amazing teachers who teach us in a way that is easy to understand. Here every single topic is taught with great depth, like the Quran with Tajweed, Seerat, Urdu, Islamic Malumat, Aqaid, etc. They not only teach us about Islamic studies but also focus on our tarbiyat. They also teach us how to show care, affection and obey our parents and elders. I love Online Islamic Institute so much that I want to attend my classes even when I am on a journey. So I can confidently say that the teaching style here is truly unique and can't be found anywhere else. Jazakallah khair.